Thank you.
Let's say I let you call me baby. Let's say I let you hold my hand. Let's say I let you stay. I let you.
I want you and me more surround, won't we? And I want you to be my one and all, my one and only.
A ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah. Con unos traguitos de Fernet se le da toda la timidez. Pasarlo, no solo tal vez. A ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah. Con unos traguitos de Fernet se le da toda la timidez. Pasarlo, no solo tal vez. Ella es mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella es mi gata, yeah. Ella es mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella es mi gata, yeah. Ella es mi gata, ya. En fiesta es que no pierde ni una. Es de aquí, pero parece de cuna. Pero así no le piche a ninguna. Criminal como nada para que Ozuna. Ella sabe que de la disco no la van a quitar. Los fines de semana son tan santos, hay que vacilar. Ready, con ropita cortita para janguear y tirar. De mí se deja llevar, combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú, ya. Combina la ropa con tu actitud, es que dominas. Chica con esa virtud, rompe bocinas. No hay nadie como tú, como tú, como tú, como tú. Ella es mi gata, ya. Perrea en la disco como nadie más. Ella es mi gata, yeah. Ella es mi gata, ya.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday, 26th of July, and yeah, today is work. And I started my hospital practice last week, so in the other vlog I must have told you guys about it, but this is another week, and yeah, today is Monday. So basically this vlog is just going to be telling you guys everything, taking you guys like through everything that's going to happen this week. Today is Monday. Today is surgery day. Mondays and Tuesdays are surgery days here. I'm at my Tama District Hospital in Abuja. Today is orthopedics. Then Thursday is like general surgeries. So I'm going to watch a couple of surgeries, probably do rounds, although Tuesdays are their round days, but rounds days. But yeah, we'll just see how the day goes, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I'll see you.
Free. That's as you are pulling, all food is opening, don't give. Hold on.
Just finished leaving. So tired. Just realized that I have not really been checking up and letting you guys know what I'm even doing. Let me move this thing. Hold on. Hi guys, what's up? I'm just trying to look for ways to keep this fun, but there is no, so I'm just going to hold it like this. Hi guys, good afternoon. The time is currently, I'm vlogging with my phone so I can't see. It should be like 3 p.m. because I left the hospital by like 2:45 thereabout. Yeah, so today is Wednesday and I just finished work. So today we had clinics. Basically we had clinics and we had pre-op rounds. We started clinic by, I started clinic by around 10 because I came by 10, but it was already ongoing, and then we finished by like let's say 12, and then from 12 to now we were just doing pre-op rounds because surgery is tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, so they normally have surgeries on Mondays and Thursdays, then on Tuesdays they have rounds in the mornings, then on Wednesdays they have clinics, and then on Fridays they have clinics as well, 2 different doctors. So yeah, that's basically what I did today. We just did clinics, we went on rounds, and that was all. It was pretty chill, although I was standing like throughout, but yeah, it wasn't that bad. Tomorrow we have surgery. We have about 9 surgeries tomorrow. Yeah, they are mainly breast cancers. Like I think there are about 4. They're going to be doing mastectomy. What else? Hernias. I think there's 1 incisional hernia, 4 breast cancers. Yeah, I most likely won't stay for all the surgeries because of course one surgery can take like 2-3 hours or 4 hours. So buyers coming. Say hi. Oh my god. So I'm going to get shawarma, chicken capital right now, and then I'll be going home. So see you guys.
Bye. 96.9 Abuja, your #1 hit music station. Mr. Slim is in the building.
How your body looked like porcelain in the light. No complaining, we were alright. But then again, I thought we were one of a kind. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Now every morning when I wake up, you're late so close, I gotta push you to your side. I go to work while you still sleep, I don't wanna argue cause it's never worth a fight. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, 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 what a lovely mess you made. Nah, nah, nothing's gonna make me stay. What a lovely mess you made. Nothing's gonna make me stay. When we began here it was simple. Now all we do is turn nothing into rain. And I've been acting all insane. I feel you bringing out the worst inside of me. Oh na na, oh you're good with lies. Oh na na, wish I wasn't right. Whoa, whoa.
You go buy TV. If you bring her. Where are you? Alright, no, where you don't let me know.
Yeah, so yeah.
Nah, the damn will make it deal. The next one, wait, the next one. Where you from? Lagos bistro. No, bistro, bro. I'm all go Lagos bistro. I ain't no go Lagos bistro. You know, it is swear.
Don't know that I know what's going on. type of